Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today we'll be doing some simple upper body stretches that you could do every day. It doesn't require any equipment, so let's go ahead and get started. If you're not in a place where you can do the video with me right now, go ahead and save this video to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright you guys, we're going to start all the way from our head to our hips. So let's begin just by doing some nice head rolls to the right. Especially if you're someone who carries a lot of tension in their neck and shoulders, this is something you're going to want to do every single night before bed just to prevent you from tightening up, and reverse it. This stretch series will be very calm and relaxing, nothing too crazy, so it's definitely something you can do to wind down before bed. What happened to the tree? I'm gonna start with a nice head roll to one side. I know a lot of you out there deal with neck and shoulder pain, so this is a little routine you can do right before bed. Make sure you're hitting every corner, all the way up and all the way down. Reverse it. Nice, you guys, shoulders down. Try to tuck your chin all the way in and put your chin all the way up. Great, you guys. Now let's just gently do some isolations, one side to the other, just isolating that part of the neck. Now looking side to side, just warming up the rotation. Nice, you guys. I'm gonna take my right hand, put it on the other side of my head, flex the left, and press it all the way down. Stretching it out. Breathing into it. Nice, you guys. Try to press that shoulder down as much as you can. And another side, switching sides. I have my left hand on the opposite side, and the right hand is flexed, pressing away. Breathing in and out. Nice, you guys. Keeping that shoulder down. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, lace my fingers on the back of my head and bring my elbows together as I look down. Just like this. Apply gentle pressure with your hands to get a stretch in the back of the neck. You can also rock it side to side. Nice, you guys. Gently unlace those hands, and I'm going to go ahead and push up on my chin to stretch out the front of my neck as so. Just soft. I'm using all the pads of my fingers to just gently press. And again, you can rotate. And reset. Alright, shake it out, shake it out. Great job, you guys. Now that the neck is all warmed up, let's bring it down to the shoulders. I'm going to start by doing just some gentle shoulder rolls up and over, and we're going to progressively make them a little bit bigger. Alright. Now I'm going to attach my fingertips to shoulders and do a little bit bigger of a shoulder rotation. Nice, you guys. Alright, I'm going to do one side then the other. Full arm reach. and other side. This definitely gets the max rotation from your shoulders, from your chest. All of it. Let's reverse it. Bring it up and over. Up and over, like you're swimming. That feels nice. And up and over. All right, I'm gonna lace my fingers together and gently come in, stretching out the middle of that back. Lace them behind and stretch it up, chest open. All right, just like the neck, we're gonna do some isolations with the shoulders. So I'm gonna come up with one side as high as you can get it and drop it down. Other side, up and drop it down. As tense as you can get it, up and release completely. Up and release. Both shoulders all the way up, almost touching your earlobes, and relax it, drop it down. One last time, up and relax and drop it down. Shake it out, shake it out. Nice, you guys. Holding on to the knees, I'm gonna do a chest rotation. I'm gonna use the pressure of my hands to bring the chest forward and concave it in and around. Forward and in and around. Just gently, gently warming up that back and the chest. Reverse it. Just easy. All right, last one. Back to neutral. I'm gonna bring my right hand over by my hip and reach the opposite arm up and over as we start to get a little deeper into those sides of my body, back and chest. You can flip the hand over to get a little extra stretch, looking up at the ceiling to make sure I'm not dropping my body forward. Up. Second side, bring it over. And flex the hand to the sky. My focus is up, chest is open. One last time, looking up, a little further this time. Both sit bones should be on the ground. Don't lift up like this, keep them on the ground. Flex it. And last time, up and over. And flex. Nice, you guys. Coming up, let's go ahead and go into a child's pose. I'm going to start by just reaching my hands out as far as they can go, creating tension in my upper back. So let's go forward. Keep tension in your arms so that you can get a little stretch in the arms and upper back. Breathing into the stretch actually helps the stretch go a little deeper. Nice, you guys. Let's go ahead and thread one of your arms through, taking one arm, threading it through. And again, just stretching that upper back. You can always spread out your knees a little wider if you want a hip stretch while we're doing this. But since I'm just focusing on the upper body right now, I'm going to keep it as is. You can also keep tension in this upper hand right here if you want kind of like a double stretch in the upper back and the shoulder. And switch sides, come back to the front, take my opposite hand and thread it through. Again, you can hold tension in that front arm if you'd like, trying to inch it out forward. That definitely deepens the stretch, and breathe into it. Nice, you guys. All right, last thing for the arms. We're gonna come back to our crisscross. I'm gonna take one arm over the other side and press it in. This also is getting that similar stretch we just did in the child's pose, but this one you kind of have leverage to even deepen the stretch more if you'd like. That's why I like to start with the child's pose twist and then I go into the full-on arm pull. All right, taking that same arm, I'm gonna grab the elbow and press it up. If this is too easy for you, go ahead and lean into it. All right, shake it out, shake it out. Second side, arm over and press it in. Breathing into it. Extend, hold the elbow, lift it up. And again, if that's too easy, lean into it. Nice, you guys. Shake it out, shake it out. Let's go back to this side, except I'm going to extend the legs out, come onto my stomach, and we're gonna do a gentle back stretch. So you can start here in a half cobra, and I like to look around a little bit, get a twist in. You can start right here and come down, but maybe on your second or third one you can try to press up with your hands and take that stretch to the next level, bringing yourself a little higher up. I try to get my shoulders down and look side to side, side to side. Nice, you guys. Let's do that a third and final time, either on the forearms or on your hands. Lifting up. Looking side to side. Nice, you guys. Let's come on our hands and knees and gently do a little cat-cow. I like to do the opposite stretch just to make sure I'm not overstretched in one direction. So if I did a lot of back stretching like this, I'll go ahead and stretch it in the opposite direction like this, just to make sure I'm even and nothing is overstretched in the wrong direction. And when I concave in, I want to press as much as I can into the floor so I can feel that stretch in my upper back. And roll the shoulders down the back when you do the cat. Nice, you guys. Come back onto your back for the next part. Lay back down. I'm going to start with just a gentle kind of rolling out of the back. This is so nice to me, especially if your lower back is hurting. I just like to kind of roll on one side and the other because I can feel my lower back kind of getting a free massage. Pulling the knees forward and back. Roll it out in the opposite direction. Nice. You can even do a little circle. Anything you'd like right here. Alright. Once you feel nice and rolled out, let's go ahead and gently drop the knees to one side. And I like to put my arms and my focus in the opposite direction of my knees, gently giving a twist. Again, just stretching out the back. If you want a deeper stretch, you can go ahead and extend one of the legs. Nice, you guys. Let's go to the other side. back to center and just drop it in the opposite direction. Arms in the opposite direction, focus in the opposite direction, and relax into it. Nice, you guys. Coming back to center, I'm going to go ahead and spiral my arms around each other. So I'm going to cross one over the other, cross it again, and grab on. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of roll side to side, pulling them up. Again, giving your back a little massage. Nice, you guys. Give yourself a little hug. And out. All right. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and stand up and do one last little chest stretch. So come up. If you have a wall nearby, I'm going to go ahead and come on this side. I'm going to put my hand, fingers first, and then the palm of my hand is going to go just like this onto the wall, and I'm going to rotate away gently like this. Ooh, this is hurting for me today. I did a little bit of upper body too, so this is a big stretch right here. Ooh, breathe into it, breathing in. Ooh, and out. Nice, you guys. Go ahead and shake it out, shake it out. And I'm going to come to the other side again. Fingers first and then palm of the hand. Placing it right here. And rotating away. Ooh, this hits the bicep, the forearm. If you lift weights, this is a must. Ooh. Nice. And release it. I'm going to go ahead while I'm standing, hold my hands together, and just stretch it out. And opposite direction, just like we did on the floor. Roll it up, shake it out. And that is your gentle upper body stretch. Thank you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like the outfit I wore in today's video, be sure to check out the shelf below and purchase one for yourself. And check out more videos in my series. I'll see you there. Bye.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.